I did not finish last night. I ran out of daylight, and fortunately it was not calling for rain, so we left it just like this. Now did give me a chance to cut some boards for going along the edge here. So I'm going to start fitting them in, and hopefully we can button this back up here. I did not nail them in yet, so I have some nails I need to start nailing in. May need to pre-drill some, not sure. And then we'll get this one Geico the other nail heads that I hadn't done yet, and then tackle the next one. I'm gonna have to get a broom up here to sweep this all off too. I'd like to start putting the aluminum down today. We're good from that corner all the way over, and once we get this, we'll be all the way over into here. And maybe I can get the rest of it ready today so that we can do all this. But I know there's a spot over there, or two spots over there we need to fix. So I wish I would have done this initially. I wish I would have covered this whole thing with aluminum. I don't remember my logic that I didn't do it, but it was definitely a mistake. The other mistake I made was I didn't overlap enough here. Because of the way the board is, you have a board running here and then you have other ones. It put the screw heads about in the crease, or the screws, so that's not good either. I should have came over, but really I should have went the whole thing. So live and learn. Not sure why I made that decision. Just don't know. But correcting it makes me feel good, so let's get it corrected and stop any more, reverse the damage and then stop it from the future. Okay, let's get going.